In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to dark mode in Gmail. Switching to dark mode can really help in minimizing eye strain, especially if you spend long hours staring at your screen. Plus, it's a great way to personalize your Gmail to suit your preferences. So, let's dive into it. First, open your Gmail account. You'll want to make sure you're signed in, and you can do this on any web browser of your choice. Once your inbox is open and you're good to go, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice a little gear icon. This is the home of your quick settings, and it holds the key to many customization options. Clicking on this gear icon will open a drop-down menu of sorts, unveiling a variety of options that you can configure to make Gmail work best for you. As you click that gear icon, you'll find yourself greeted with an array of choices. Your eyes should land on the Themes section, which provides a glimpse of different visual designs available for your inbox. You'll want to click on View All to see the complete list of themes. As you look through these themes, you might notice a number of vibrant colors and scenic images. But for now, let's scroll down to discover the understated elegance of a dark mode theme. Sometimes referred to simply as the black theme, this option creates a sleek environment, reducing glare from your screen and making it easier to focus on the content of your emails. Once you've located the dark mode, go ahead and click on it. Almost instantly, your entire inbox will transform, swapping its bright whites for deep blacks and moody grays. This shift can reduce the strain on your eyes, especially in low-light conditions, making it a popular choice for late-night email checking or just a stylish personal preference. After selecting this theme, you'll see the Save option pop up. It's located towards the bottom of the menu that now displays the dark mode preview. Be sure to click Save to lock in your choice. This final step ensures that every time you open your Gmail, the soothing dark mode will welcome you back, maintaining your settings just as you've customized them. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've effortlessly switched from the default light theme to a more eye-friendly dark mode. Not only does this make your Gmail account uniquely yours, but it also adds a layer of comfort while navigating your emails. Enjoy the new look, and as always, feel free to reach out with any questions or for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.